Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to install better shop mod in Dying Light the Beast. I show you guys how to do it. You just need to check my video description for this mod link. So go to files and under main files select the manual download option. Select the slow download option and it will start downloading. If you are new to this site, then you will be redirected to the login page. You just need to log into the site. If it doesn't have an account, then select the register option and create the one. And then select the slow download option and it will download done. After getting done, just right click and select WinRAR and select extract to. After the extract done, double click on it and open the file. Make it as left and right. You just need to navigate to the game folder. After you are in the game folder, you just need to double click on this ph_ft source and just drag and drop this file to the game folder, guys. And then just close stuff here and launch the game and enjoy the mod. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.